It seems like I found a little baby wren that fell out of a nest. Poor little thing, he's scared. And he's been calling for his mama for a good bit until I showed up. And I'm hoping that he'll be able to find his mama before the rain comes. Cute as a button. You can tell that he or she is scared. I don't know, it's kind of hard for me to tell whether they're male or female. But either way, this little baby's scared. I would take it inside and give it shelter and food and stuff, but if I do that, the mother bird won't take it back. So I just have to let nature do its thing. But I'm hoping and praying that the mother bird will find the baby. Or at least the baby will eventually learn how to use its wings properly and be able to fly back to its nest. Of course, I hadn't dealt with a baby bird for a long time, since I was a kid. It's so stinking cute. Kind of looks like he's got a wig, actually. He or she. Looks. Oh. Hopefully he'll find his mama.